Alright, here's another trip. Hope I get some bigger fish this time. Last time I got a lot of numbers, but I didn't get the fish I wanted. So this one I'm all about trying to get the fish I want. Big fish. At least one, or two, or 5, or 10. Alright, nothing super giant yet. Letting a couple go though. They're decent. Oops. Fell down. Alright, now he's in the water. Woo.
People sloshing here. I don't know how it's gonna go from here, but yeah. That's a little ass smallmouth. But it's a smallmouth. Doesn't erect base. Alright. Look at that. Let's just chill. Alright, there you go, buddy. Here we go. Number 11. That's a bass. Largemouth, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Mr. Largemouth? I don't know. I'm just hanging out there. I got him. Huh. I think I had him. He's so small. That's a small fish. It's gotta be a largemouth. Yep. Sure is. Look at this small largemouth of the year. Look at the little guy. Oh, got a little bite marks. Oh. I felt them before. Smallmouth. Alright. That's a dozen. That's a decent one. Yep, gotcha. Gotcha. Yay. Nice smallmouth. Another right bass. Yay. Woo. Go. You got it. That's a little largemouth. Hey Dan, glad you get that smallmouth there.
So, yeah, they're in here though. I mean, that's like, I missed, like, there we go.
That's the little guy. Yeah, that will spawn out though. Or male. One or the other. Yeah, another one. Gotcha. Not what I wanted though, but I got him.
Yeah, it's a pretty okay day so far. Got some good ones. Hopefully I get a monster. I'm getting good ones, just not monsters.
There we go. There we go. Thought they might be back here. Thought they might be back here. Yep. Hey, stop flopping around, Brett. That's a good one. Alright, got these large meow. There you go. There we go. What are you, Largemouth? Cool. Hey, pretty nice one. Okay. Oh yeah. Another one with spots. I think the third one this year. Call it like this. Another one with spots on it. Pretty fish. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was a nice hit. That was a beautiful hit. Nice fish too. Alright. Cool. On the mountain. Yep. What are you? Probably rock bass. Oh, you hooked weird. Oh, that was a rock bass. Alright. Come up river. What do I catch? Another rock bass. I think he's a helicopter. You. Over. Oh, gotcha. Whoopie doo. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. As you can see, these seagulls pretty much clued me in on what was going on. They found all the bait fish for me. Then it's a matter of put my lure by the fish. They're also on a bait fish. So yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a good one. And finally, he's fighting good. Compared to the rock bass I just caught, that's cool. All right. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Little fatty. Little fatty. Oh, that's a good one. Maybe. Charge me. And it fought good though. That's a decent one. These seagulls gave me all the help I needed. Go seagulls. Good God. Oh, that's pretty decent. Decent fish. Woo! There we go. I don't know how big you are. Fighting good. Oh, it's nice to drink. Turned out. Oh yeah. Looks like a lot of fish in a row. It's fun now. Yay. 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 Sick. There we go. That's one. What are you, little largemouth? Alright. Oh, you're decent. Woo! Hey, Daniel, got shoes on. I know. Shoes. The shoes. Silly shoes. Alright. Quit making fun of me, bass. Hey, dork. Oh.